Assalamu alaikum grade 3. I'm your English teacher from Allied School. Today I'm going to start your next lecture of English Oxford and English grammar. So open your book at page number 38, unit 8, the four elements. Unit 8, lesson 1, listen and speak. Read the conversation and answer the question. The Bate family are having a bonfire in their garden. What they are going to eat and drink. Students, this is a dialogue. As I have told before, a dialogue is a conversation between two or more people. This is a dialogue among the Bate family. Here are some characters. First one is Sandra, Mom, Dan, and Dad and Emma. This is the Bate family and they are having a bonfire in their garden. Sandra, can I put the potatoes in the fire now, Mom? Mom, no, the fire is too hot. We all throw the potatoes in later. Sandra, how long do they take to cook? Mom, about an hour. Dan, can we light the fireworks now? I have got the box of matches. Dad, okay, give me the match and the torch. We'll light a rocket. Stand back. Mom, Dan, would you like some fruit juice? Would you like some ice in it? Dan, yes, 2 cubes of ice, please. An hour later, Mom, Emma, would you like a hot potato now? Emma, yes, please. How do you eat it? Mom, cut it open and put some butter and some salt and pepper in it. Like that, it is cooked enough. Emma, yes, I think so. It's nice and soft. The butter's melting through. Dan, don't burn your fingers. Emma, it tastes nice. Read the conversation again and answer these questions. How long does it take to cook the potatoes? The answer is about an hour. Students, write this answer in your notebooks. What do they put on the potatoes? Butter, salt and pepper. What do they put in their drinks? Ice. Here are the instructions. Listen to the instructions and number them in the right order. I have put these in right orders so you can note from here. Don't stand too close to the fire. It will be at number 5. First of all, you learn put dry sticks and newspaper at the bottom of the bonfire. Put bigger pieces of dry wood on the top. Light the newspaper with a match. Don't put the fireworks in a box next to the bonfire. Don't stand too close to the fire. Light a rocket and then move away. Now open page number 39, unit 8, lesson 2, words, science vocabulary. Here are the words. Say these words. A river, balloons, bonfire, a hill, bubble, a lake, mountains, space, mats, a desert, a rocket and an ocean. Now write them on the correct lines. Earth, desert, a hill and mountains, air, balloons, rockets and bubble, fire, a bonfire and match, water, a river, an ocean and a lake. Here are some words in the diagram. Use the words in the diagram to complete the sentences. This is steam. Steam comes from boiling water. When we boil the water, we get steam. This is water and this is ice. Heat and melts, cool, freeze, water and ice. This is the word vocabulary. You have to use this vocabulary in these exercise. When you heat water, it gets hotter. When you freeze water, it gets colder. When you boil water, you get steam. When you put water in the freezer, you get ice. In cold weather, water freezes and turns to ice. In warm weather, ice melts and turns to water. Grade 3, now open the book at page number 40, unit 8, lesson 3, a science experiment. Label the objects in the pictures with these words. I have labeled the pictures. Place the burning candle on the hot wax in the middle of the bowl. It will become at second one. On the first line we write here, light a candle, hold the burning candle over the center of a bowl. This is the first picture. You have to label it like this. Look from the pictures and read these sentences and fill in these blanks. Grade 3, now open page number 41. Read and circle the correct answers. A candle is made of wax or flame. It becomes with the wax. When you hold a burning candle on its side, hot wax drips down. You will circle the word drips down. You can stick something to hot wax. Cold wax keeps a candle standing up. The candle in the jar burned part of the air. A candle cannot burn without air. Now open your English grammar book at page number 42, unit 14, verbs. When we use a verb to tell us something is happening now, we use the present tense. In these verbs, we will use the present tense. In the present tense, the verb is actually happening on that time. When we use a word to tell us something is happening now, we use a present tense. Sam wants some more porridge. But when we use a verb to tell us something about that happened in the past, we use the past tense. Sam wanted some more porridge. When we change a verb to make past tense, we usually add the letters ed to the verb family name. If the verb family name ends with e, we simply add d. Read the statements given below, identify the verbs in the past tense and write them in your notebook. James wanted to fly kites. You will underline here the word wanted. Mother wanted to rest, so she asked us to go out for her room. Wanted and asked. She made a sandcastle. Made will be underlined. We decided to play a friendly football match with the guest team. Decided. Ginny finished her homework before going to sleep. Finished. Open page number 42. Copy the following sentences in your notebook and change the present tense verbs into past tense verbs. The children play Ludo. The children played Ludo. They jump high. They jumped high. I type a long letter. I typed a long letter. I climb a tree. I climbed a tree. The dogs barked at the strangers. The dog barked at the strangers. Complete the table by filling the missing words. Brush. In the present tense, he brushed, he is brushing, and in the past tense, they brushed. Repairs. He repairs, they are repairing, I repaired. Cry, she cries, I am crying, he cries. Examine, he examines, he is examining, we examined. Ask, we ask, you are asking, you asked. Students, open your book at page number 45. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Fill in the blanks with the past tense. We visit or visited the orphanage yesterday. I passed the driving test last month. Dolan phoned his friends from the booth. The mechanic repaired the car in 2 hours. Mandy danced the whole afternoon. Now here copy the passage in your notebook and complete it by choosing the correct verb given in the brackets. The people of Hamelin wanted the mayor to do something about the rats. The Pied Piper listened about the problem and volunteered to rid the town of the rats. He demanded 500 gold coins for doing this work. The mayor consulted his committee members. The members agreed to pay him the money. The Pied Piper then pulled out his pipe and started playing a tune. The rats came out and followed the piper to the river vessel. The rats fell into the river and were drowned.